So yeah, this is just a quick shot, but it's gonna be on Facebook, obviously. What I do is I rip the videos from Facebook Live and go ahead and upload them to YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it is what it says. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that right quick. Quick shot, meaning it's not gonna take long to do this. So I'm assuming you already know how to send an email with Aweber. So just follow along if you already gotten to that point. Okay. So basically we go ahead and you're on where the last email is, the email we want to segment down the unopened. So go ahead, click it, and you'll get to this page. And what you'll do is kind of scroll down some, and you see where it says opens and unopens. You click on unopens, and what you do is send directly to these subscribers, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it what it is. Unopens one. I'm gonna just put where it's not such a long name. It's name it whatever you want. This is what I would do. This is how I do it. I'm gonna just put CP, means Cloud Phone, unopens one. Save your segment, and then what I'll do after that is go ahead and scroll down some more. So it says 1,564 people didn't open. So we're going to go ahead and go to copy message. And we're just going to switch it up, change the copy song. Taking a minute. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put, what I'm going to do is like say something like, did you see the last email? Be periods. I'll do periods. I'm gonna put real talk at the end. Real talk. And that's all I'm gonna change. Everything I'm keeping the same. So save and exit. And this is how you blast them to the unopens. Yeah, this is going up on YouTube. But I like to rip straight from Facebook to upload to YouTube. That's why it's just convenient for me. Knock two birds out in one stone kind of deal. All right, so this is the one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and go to schedule broadcast and choose the list you want. Usually, when you go do it like that, you have to edit. It'll say what list, but you have to edit. You don't want to send to the same people again. You want to edit it to the unopens. We got to make sure the lists are checked. Okay, it's already got the list checked because we made a copy of the message. Okay, now we have to where it says send to subscribers in this segment. Go ahead, Dropbox that, and we're looking for CP unopens, and go ahead and apply. Okay, and it's about a good time to blast. Usually good times to blast. I mean, it really depends on you. I mean, you can't really control when people are going to open their emails for the most part, but some people work and all that stuff. I'm just going to send it now, 6:38. If it had been like 7 o'clock, I'd probably send it at like 8 or 9 or something like that. It just mess around with it. Don't be afraid to send it at any weird time. Your emails. If you're late at night, say, hey, you still up? Change this. Just make the subject congruent to whatever the time frame is. You know what I'm saying? Let me hide this. Is coming. Okay, so I'm going to just say send it immediately. You can always edit it to send it at a different time within the day, a few more hours on the next day, next morning, whatever. So we're going to hit send message now, and this is going to go straight to the segment. So send now. Okay, and that's how you do it, guys. If you're on YouTube and you find this video, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, all right, because there's going to be more videos like it. Little quick shot videos where it's not taking 30 minutes of your time to figure out how to do a specific task, okay? So hopefully I covered what you needed to know. It's currently sending to the unopens, and that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you're on YouTube, you'll see some links in the description. I have no links on the actual Facebook side because I usually do that when I talk to anybody. If anybody wants to engage, say hi, make it fun. What's up, Ben Martin? Good to see you, man. Yeah, this is for YouTube, Ben. So I just like to use the convenience of the Facebook Live to rip it right off the live and upload it to YouTube. That's what I normally do on a regular basis, sir. But anyhow, thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you're on YouTube, go ahead and click those links in the description. Subscribe to the channel. If you don't have your Aweber account, if you're on YouTube, go ahead and click that link in the description, get your Aweber account, and I'll see you guys in the next live. Peace.